What if I told you that getting millions of views on TikTok isn't about luck or having the perfect dance moves, but about cracking a code that most creators never figure out? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the exact strategies that took my TikTok account from 0 followers to over 2 million views in just 3 months, and more importantly, how you can replicate these results starting today. Here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. The creators getting hundreds of thousands of views aren't necessarily more talented, funnier, or better looking than you. They've just figured out how to speak TikTok's language fluently. And that language has nothing to do with what you think it does. Let me start with the biggest myth that's probably killing your growth right now. Everyone thinks TikTok is about going viral with one lucky video. Wrong. It's actually about consistency and understanding the platform's invisible rules. The algorithm doesn't care if you're famous. It cares about 3 things: completion rate, engagement rate, and shareability. Master these 3 metrics, and you'll see your view count explode. The first secret weapon is what I call the 3-second rule. You have exactly 3 seconds to hook your viewer before they swipe away forever. Most people waste these precious seconds with boring intros or slow builds. Instead, start with your most compelling moment. If you're teaching something, lead with the most shocking result. If you're telling a story, start at the climax. Think of your opening like a movie trailer, not the actual movie. Here's a technique that works every single time. Use what I call pattern interrupts. Your brain expects certain things to happen in certain orders. When you break those patterns, attention spikes instantly. Instead of saying hello and introducing yourself, jump straight into a controversial statement or surprising fact. Instead of building up to your point, deliver it immediately, then explain why it matters. Now let's talk about the content categories that perform best. Educational content is absolutely dominating right now, but here's the twist everyone misses. It's not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the clearest communicator. Take complex ideas and break them down into digestible chunks. The goal isn't to impress people with how much you know, but to make them feel smart for understanding what you're teaching. Storytelling content is another goldmine, but most people tell boring stories. The secret is emotional stakes. Every story needs someone to root for, something to fear losing, and a satisfying resolution. Even if you're talking about your morning coffee routine, frame it as overcoming the challenge of being productive while tired. Give your audience someone to connect with emotionally. Behind-the-scenes content works because it satisfies human curiosity about how things really work. But don't just show your process, explain your thinking. Why did you make that choice? What would have happened if you did it differently? Turn your behind-the-scenes content into mini documentaries about decision-making. Timing is crucial, but not in the way most people think. Yes, posting when your audience is most active helps, but consistency trumps perfect timing every time. Pick a schedule you can actually maintain and stick to it religiously. The algorithm rewards creators who show up regularly because it can predict when to show your content to your audience. Here's something that will change your entire strategy. Stop trying to appeal to everyone and start building a tribe. The most successful TikTok creators have audiences who feel like they're part of an exclusive group. Use inside jokes, recurring themes, and consistent messaging. Make your followers feel like they're in on something special that others don't understand. Engagement is your secret weapon, but most people approach it wrong. Don't just hope people comment. Engineer your content to generate specific types of responses. Ask questions that have multiple valid answers. Share opinions that are slightly controversial but not offensive. Create content that makes people want to share their own experiences in the comments. The comment section is where your real growth happens. Respond to every single comment in your first hour after posting. But don't just say thanks. Ask follow-up questions. Start conversations. The more engagement your video gets early on, the more the algorithm will push it to new audiences. Hashtags are important, but most people use them completely wrong. Don't use the most popular hashtags because your content will get buried. Instead, use a mix of large, medium, and small hashtags. The large ones give you a chance at massive reach. The medium ones help you compete in your niche. The small ones almost guarantee you'll be seen by people interested in that specific topic. Research your hashtags like you're studying for an exam. Look at what content is actually getting views under each hashtag. If it's all professional productions and you're shooting on your phone, choose different hashtags where your content style fits better. Trends are opportunities, but jumping on them blindly is a waste of time. The key is adapting trends to your niche instead of copying them exactly. Take the audio or format that's trending and put your unique spin on it. This way you get the algorithm boost of using trending elements while still delivering content that serves your specific audience. Cross-promotion is massively underutilized. Share your TikTok videos on other platforms, but don't just repost them. Adapt them for each platform's audience and format preferences. What works on TikTok might need tweaking for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. Analytics are your roadmap to success. Check them religiously, but focus on the right metrics. Average view duration tells you if your content is actually engaging. Profile visits show if people want to see more from you. Shares indicate if your content is worth spreading. Don't get obsessed with follower count early on. Views and engagement matter more for growth. Collaboration is a growth accelerator most small creators ignore. You don't need millions of followers to collaborate with other creators. Find people in your niche with similar-sized audiences and create content together. Duets and stitches are built-in collaboration features that can expose you to entirely new audiences. Quality matters, but perfection kills momentum. Your phone camera is good enough to start. Good lighting and clear audio matter more than expensive equipment. The most important thing is posting consistently and improving gradually. Your 100th video will be dramatically better than your first, but only if you actually make 100 videos. Authenticity isn't just a buzzword, it's your competitive advantage. The more you try to be like other successful creators, the more you blend into the background. Your personality, your perspective, and your unique way of explaining things are what will make people choose to follow you instead of the thousands of other creators in your space. Here's your action plan. Start by auditing your last 10 videos. Which ones performed best and why? Look for patterns in your successful content and double down on what's working. Then commit to posting at least once daily for the next 30 days. Choose a content format you can execute consistently and master it before trying new things. Remember, TikTok success isn't about one viral video changing your life overnight. It's about building systems that consistently deliver value to a specific audience. Focus on helping people, entertaining them, or teaching them something useful. Do that consistently with the strategies I've shared, and your view count will grow steadily and predictably. The creators winning on TikTok right now started exactly where you are. They just committed to the process and stayed consistent long enough to see results. Your breakthrough video could be the next one you post, but only if you actually post it. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.